This is the right side of the fabric, this is the wrong side. I'm going to mark the wrong side, X. Now to make our French seam, I'm going to join the wrong sides together. I'll now take this to the machine and sew at 1/4 of an inch. This is the right side. I'll be sewing at 1/4 of an inch and I'll be using a different thread so you can see it clearly. Now I'm going to halve this. This is to help reduce the bulk when we turn it over. Now I'm turning it to the wrong side. I'm going to iron it. Now I'll sew this at 1/2 inch. This depends on how many inches you left for your allowance. So let's say you left 1/2 inch allowance when cutting. Remember you already took out 1/4 of an inch from here. Now you're left with another 1/4 of an inch. So you can sew this at 1/4 of an inch instead. But I'm using 1/2 inch to finish this off. And here's our French seam. Very neat on the inside and on the outside too.
Above all the rest, put me to the test, expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening next, He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second, this life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing, new focus, no guessing, just bold an obsession, all in his possession, you got their attention, I'll leave an impression and take a redemption, just kill no discretion. You could try to play